There's nothing like morning inspiration and a warm cup of ginger tea. During this pandemic, I have to be honest, it's been really hard to balance life as a business owner, a mom, a wife, and even a student. Through it all, I found ways on how to cope with anxiety. And today, I'm here to share with you one of my stress-relieving ginger tea recipes. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. And if it's not your first time, welcome back. So let's jump right to it. These are the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. You'll need some sugar or raw honey as a sweetener. You'll need some ginger. You'll need some star anise. You'll need some cinnamon sticks. And you'll need a pilon, aka wooden smasher. First step is to drop that ginger inside of the pilon. You want to smash it up as finely as possible, making sure that there is no bulky pieces. This is also a great stress reliever. Nice and fine, just like so. Then in a pot, you want to make sure that you have at least 2 to 3 cups of water going, and you drop 1 cup of cinnamon powder in it. This is what will give the ginger tea a nice texture, a nice smell, a nice color, and then drop your star anise. And then drop your cinnamon sticks. Just in case you were wondering, ginger tea has plenty of health benefits, including relieving anxiety. It also decreases body bloat. It also helps with facilitating and fading scars and cellulites. It alleviates muscles and menstrual pain. So here it is, guys. The ginger tea is boiling up. And now it's time to drop in that smashed up ginger that you smashed earlier, like so. This will make the tea taste great, guys. Smashing it up finely is what will help the tea have a nice kick to it. And Haitians like to say, "Pour le bien piqué." This is what you want to do. You let it boil up for about 10 minutes so it can be nice and incorporated and everything is going just like so. And now it's time to strain and enjoy. I strain it because I don't care too much about having big chunks of ginger in the way. If you choose to have the ginger, that's fine, but I prefer to strain it. And then you put in your sweetener and you're all done. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.